Hello creative family, Alice here. After doing some extensive research, I've been able to come up with 7 legit platforms that can actually pay you for sharing your honest opinion, taking simple surveys and study, and you can earn anywhere from $100 to $500. Yes, you heard me right. In no particular order, these platforms are: Platform 1, user interviews. Platform 2, Watch Lab. Platform 3, FocusScope. Platform 4, Atapol. Platform 5, Survey Club. Platform 6, Respondent. Platform 7, Pardon Research. Here you have it, guys. 7 legit platforms that can actually pay you real money for sharing your opinion, taking simple surveys and study, and you can earn anywhere from $100 to $500 per study. Okay, if you want me to do a more detailed video taking it step by step on how you can actually get started on these platforms, let me know down in the comment section. If you are here not to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. And do not forget to share. There are thousands of people out there who are looking for legit way to make money online.